Here is the final step for this hair growth tea, which is the application. Okay, so I always put this hair bonnet on my hair, and I want to know using hair bonnet and not using hair bonnet, which is better, because a lot of natural ladies have different thinking about using hair bonnet. Okay, some of them feels using hair bonnet is not healthy, some of them feels using hair bonnet is healthy. So let me know your own thoughts in the comment section. So this is my hair after the wash day, and it's all dried out, so it's time for me to put moisture into my hair. So that is why I created the DIY hair growth tea, because that's I always use teas to moisturize my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be working in section, I'm going to be packing my hair into two sections, then we work with the tea. So do you always do this each time you make a new tea? Like spray out the first one. It's so hilarious. So I'm going to be spraying this directly from to my scalp before I spray it on my hair. I move first my scalp, massage, then I will spray it on my hair. Let me know in the comment, how do you put your hair growth tea on your hair? This hair growth tea is going to help you to moisturize and help you to grow your hair. If you are suffering, because I did suffer from alopecia, which I am still struggling till today. So I am struggling with alopecia. Like the back of my hair was chopped off, but right now that back has grown. So now I am struggling with the front of my head, my edges, my front edges. I want my front edges to be fuller, which is coming up, because if I look way back previously, there's some places on my front edges that has grown to a long state now because of the teas and the routine I'm doing. But my struggle now is mostly the front parts, which are the hairs are still very baby-ish. I want those parts to get fuller. So after I spray the tea on my hair, I go in with leave-in condition to trap in the tea, because I don't want the tea to just dry out on my hair. Then after that, I'm going in with Chembia 2000. Chembia 2000 is a herbal hair grease that is has this peppermint feeling. It also have a very strong smell. Just in case you don't like strong smell, you might not want to use this Chembia 2000, but the effect is really amazing because it has this tingling sensation each time you apply it on your hair. So I always apply this Chembia 2000 in my scalp, not on my hair, because it's a very heavy grease. Okay, so in case you have a kind of 4C or natural hair that does not like really heavy grease, you might not like to use this particular hair growth cream. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video. This is how I treat my 4C hair after wash day routine. I always do this after wash day routine, and it keeps my hair moisturized for quite some while. And after I'm done with this, I will go in with oil. So the first thing is tea, leave-in condition, either the product one or the DIY leave-in condition. Then butter, then oil. My oil is the last thing I do to seal in everything. So here I'm using the shea butter. After shea butter, I'll go in with oil. This routine this way helps to keep my hair moisturized for a while, in the maximum of 5 days before I re-moisturize again. My hair intends to get dry faster, so I try to do this step for the moisture to retain longer, and which has been helping me a lot. So this is what my hair looks like, and after this I'll be braiding it, because I believe when you braid this mini braid, like I braid it in a cornrow state, I literally leave my hair alone, because if I pack it I always touch it. But ever since I started braiding it like in 4 cornrows, I just leave it that way, and when I lose it I see massive growth in the scalp. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.